Welcome to BIMWork YouTube channel. Today lesson is how to link a AutoCAD file. I'm open mechanical template. Click Manage tab. Click Manage Link button. This is a Manage Link dialog box. Click CAD Format tab. Click Add button. Choose a CAD file. If you want the linked file to display in the current view only, select Current View Only. If you do not select this option, the linked file is displayed in all relevant 2D views, such as floor plans. Click Open. Now you can see CAD file is loaded. Click OK. Now you can see linked CAD file. Thanks for watching my video. Click subscribe and bell button. Have a nice day.